Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko and I just want to thank you for clicking onto this video. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I am very honored to host you here. Anyway, on today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. I've been using soap lately on my eyebrows and that has been such a game changer, and I thought that I should share with you guys. So if you want to know how to achieve the most wonderful eyebrows, keep on watching. But before that, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get started. I already have a detailed eyebrow tutorial where I've explained so much on this channel. I'm going to link it somewhere here so that you can check it out, because I want to make this video as fast and as quick, as short as possible. Yeah, so kindly watch that video for more details. So to start, the things that we need are of course soap. This is like our secret ingredient. It's like eyebrows have a secret ingredient, and this is that secret ingredient. Then we of course have the eyebrow pencil, and this is the Davis number 3 eyebrow pencil. Then we have a spoolie brush, which is so important in doing your eyebrows, and a concealer angled brush. This is an angled brush for applying concealer, and of course concealer. The reason we use soap is because soap has wax, and wax is gonna help us hold the brows upwards so that it's easier to like see the eyebrow shape and to draw the eyebrows. So I'll first take my soap, my spoolie brush, which I have applied the soap. So it's just like you scoop some of the soap like this and then use that to brush the eyebrows upwards. And you can use any soap. You can use your bathing soap, you can use bar soap, the one for washing clothes, doesn't really matter. So you guys can see the difference. Yeah. My brow hairs are firmly held upwards and I can easily see my eyebrow shape, which will make it so much easier to do my eyebrows. Yeah, so we let this to sit for like 1 minute for the eyebrows, for the soap to dry down, and then we can continue to do the eyebrows. So the next thing is to take your eyebrow pencil, and you have to make sure it's sharp. You can see how sharp mine is. You just take the pencil and start outlining your eyebrow, just the normal way you normally do it.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Come up.
You can see already the soap has made my brow hairs to be so visible. Yeah, which is all we want, that precision. This. So I'm going to then fill in, mimicking the brow hairs. We then come back to the spoolie brush to help us blend the eyebrows so that we can see any gaps that need filling, and just to make it look seamless. So I'm doing this to kind of measure where the other eyebrow starts so that I make sure that they are at the same level. to make them as similar as possible. So you have to keep comparing. Yep. And also the upper part. So you guys can see how easy it is to fill in this when the brows are held, and like the way you can find brow hairs, some are facing upwards, some are facing downwards, and they're just a mess. So with soap you are able to hold them to the same direction, which makes it easier to know to see your shape, and thus making it easier to draw the eyebrow. Get it? Yes. So come back, take your spoolie brush, brush them gently so that you won't make the soap to disappear. So right now I'm just gonna take my concealer and clean the eyebrows, which is what is going to make all the difference. So I'll take my Elegant Pro Concealer. This is in the shade medium beige, and my angled brush. Take some of the concealer on the brush like that. So for the bottom part you want to use a concealer that is lighter than, like 1 shade or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, to get that highlighted effect. Then now I like take it from there and start defining the eyebrows. And I'm just following the shape that I have already drawn. Then you want to blend the concealer downwards towards the lid. You'll use it as your eyeshadow base. So I like to first place it there so that I won't use so much of the concealer on the brows and have a difficult time blending. I then take my wet wipe and wipe that concealer off my brush. And for the top part, I'm going to use this concealer, Maybelline Fit Me in the number 55, which is darker than this. It's like my skin shade, and I'll use that for the top part. You can also use your normal foundation for the top part. Yes, so that it will just be seamless. Because if I had used this at the top part when blending my foundation, you'd still be able to see a white line, which is something that doesn't look good. Yeah, so just use a darker concealer. Actually, this one is way much darker, but it's alright. Better, you'd rather use a darker concealer on the top part, because when using your foundation it's gonna blend out, rather than using a lighter concealer. Yeah, so I'll use this to define the top part. I'm going to make sure it's very sharp at the end. So the top line has to meet the bottom line, and they have to end very sharply. So you guys can see that. Very pretty. take the concealer, first place it there, then start defining the eyebrow. Blend the concealer downwards towards the lid. If possible, it's advisable to use the foundation that you're gonna use on your face, to use it to conceal the upper part of the eyebrow. It's gonna make work so much easier. I'm going to take my blending brush and use that to blend the concealer. So you then take your spoolie brush and brush especially at the front part. So basically just brush the eyebrow with the spoolie brush. Then you can take your finger and wipe the front part like this. Then again to the brush. Yes, that's it, guys. You can see how much these eyebrows are popping. You can even like use your finger to blend the concealer if you don't have the concealer brush. Yes, yes, yes. So you guys can see how soap has held the brow hairs very nicely, and yani it just looks amazing, amazing. Trust me, I don't have that much brow hair, but the fact that I used soap to lay them on the skin has like given them so much definition, as you can see. Yeah, so I hope that you guys can try. Let me know if you liked this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to watch my previous eyebrow tutorial if you haven't understood, because I didn't explain a lot of things on this video, so you can definitely check that video out. It'll help you understand how I've drawn my eyebrows better. Yeah, so remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.